Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with 1Password for secure sign-ins, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the 1Password app from your preferred app store or visiting the 1Password website. Install the app following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, open the 1Password app. Create a new account by selecting the Create Account option. Enter your email address and choose a strong master password. Make sure to remember this password as it will be your key to accessing your vault. Follow any additional prompts to complete the account setup. After setting up your account, open the app and log in with your email and master password. To authenticate with a secure sign-in, navigate to the website or app where you want to log in. Click the login option on the website or app. Instead of entering your password directly, open the 1Password app again. Find the saved login for the website or app in your vault. Tap on the login entry to reveal your username and password. Copy the username and paste it into the appropriate field on the login page. Repeat the process for the password. If you are using a browser extension, click on the 1Password icon in the address bar. Select the login entry from the drop-down menu. This will automatically fill in your username and password for you. For added security, you may need to authenticate with two-factor authentication if it's enabled. Check your authentication method, such as a text message or authenticator app. Once you receive the authentication code, enter it where prompted. After successful entry, you will be logged into the website or app securely. Explore the various features of 1Password to enhance your password management and security. Always log out of sensitive accounts after use, especially on shared devices. Regularly update your passwords for enhanced security. Familiarize yourself with 1Password's tools for routine password changes and security audits. Now you are ready to safely authenticate and manage your passwords with 1Password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.